some of that extension to open it up, and then you're gonna pull that tension straight up. That's gonna help that open up. You're gonna go down and find about C2, C3, and where you're gonna go in there is you're gonna sink, just like that. And then that's gonna get your depth as you open up. And then you're gonna pull tension straight up. And with this one, you're not gonna stand up, you're just gonna pull that. And you're gonna lean back and pull that through as you go right up to the base of the occiput. Your hand gives you an idea where you're at. And with this one, you wanna get that extension. That opens that up. You're gonna back off, you're gonna pull that tension and come up nice and easy. You can see I'm using this opposite leg to kind of help with some of that motion as well.